Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Caution: the following procedure should only be performed in a clean room environment. Before you begin, remove the recess cover, display enclosure, battery, volume button board, power button board, touchscreen control board, speakers, wireless module, solid-state drive, audio board, POGO board, display panel cable, vibrator motor, system board, and middle frame. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the wireless antenna and webcam cables for later replacement. Remove the webcam cable from the routing channel on the touchscreen. Remove the wireless antenna cables from the routing channel on the touchscreen. Important: make careful note of the wireless antenna transceivers for later replacement. Using a non-conductive flat-bladed tool, remove the wireless antenna transceivers from the adhesive and alignment pins that secure them to the touchscreen. Replacement. Place the wireless antenna transceivers onto the alignment pins and apply pressure to adhere them into position on the touchscreen. Route the wireless antenna cables through the routing channel on the touchscreen. Route the webcam cable through the routing channel on the touchscreen.